This Big D recording it. Let's smack that nigga, big boy.
Yo, stop gassing me.
You like have that? No, you're not gonna talk.
Dario, you a punk, yo. You let somebody steal your iPod and he gonna bitch you?
Dario. Me and you.
You a punk, Dario.
You gonna have that, Dario?
Shut up, yo. Dario, you a bitch, yo. The fuck up. Shut up if I get big boy on you. The fuck up, bitch. That's why I got my iPod.
Until I steal that shit.
Did you steal it? Fuck up, bitch. So he stole your iPod and you won't touch his applesauce. He said you're gonna smack the shit out of you if you touch it.
No, I ain't touch it. I don't want to touch it. If I wanted to touch it, I would.
So what you saying for? What you saying that for? If you want to. Obviously you want to if you're saying it. You're just scared to because of the consequences. You smack this nigga, big boy. Big boy say you're not even worth his time right now.
I ain't got to prove nothing.
I know you don't got to prove nothing. Cause you a bitch.
But I think you're scared. Now look at some napkins, please.
That's macaroni. Yo. I'll have to put it on my jeans.
Dario, can I use your shirt?
No.
Cause you're a bitch, Dario.
Cause you gonna hit him. I think you gonna touch
Yo, come on, stop playing. Why would you do that, Dario? Funny guy.